Hey y'all, hey, Arikat B coming at y'all with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Arikat B. I do vlogs, hauls, hair, lifestyle, baby. I do a little bit of everything. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell so you can turn notifications on so y'all can see when I'm on here. Also, I want to thank all my OG subscribers for following me and staying interacting with me. And I also want to thank all my new subscribers coming in. I have a lot of new people I saw coming in here this past month, and I just want to say thank y'all for giving me the time in the day to even graze across y'all screen. So guess what we got? We got a TikTok unboxing video. These are two tech items. I don't want to just say content creation items, but that's really what it is, two tech items. I will put the date that I purchased it and the date that I received it somewhere on the screen, as well as the link if you all want it, because this is not a sponsored product through TikTok. I bought this with my own money, and this is my honest review on said product. So first things first is, I already know what they are, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Just trying to make sure I'm not showing y'all my address, which is on this other side. And here we go. We have the tripod. This is how it came. My good and trusty tripod that I have from Walmart, one of the legs I broken on it. So I'm debating if this is taller than that, I'm going to get rid of that one. And I've had that since like 2015. So if you guys get one of those, I think they're called OMM or ONN Walmart tripods, they last you a long time. They very much so do. So let's go ahead and open this up. Y'all know I even kept it in the plastic for y'all so y'all can see me unboxing it. So you got the tripod with the case in here. And then I hear something else. And then you got one of these things. And there's nothing else in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. This feel like it's smaller though. This feel like a tabletop one. Okay, yeah, it is smaller. It's kind of made up the same way. I think this is a tabletop one. The one I have is a big one. Something's shaking on it. It's not tight. I pretty much know how to use it because it's pretty much like my Walmart one. So let me just see how long this is. Extend it all the way. All right. All right, this feels very, very cheaply made. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and set it up fully. It is pretty tall. It just feels a little bit cheaply made. It's a little bit cheaper than my Walmart one. Let me go ahead and stand up. I'm 5'1", so let me just show y'all. It's fully extended. Y'all, excuse me in my little roll situation. But this is it fully extended, and then this is with it down with just the top part. So, and then it has that little attachment that you just add at the top here. So this is also good for travel too. I like all these like folded up ones. That's what I'm currently recording on, one that I got from Amazon. So yeah, the only thing I don't like that it doesn't have is they don't have like a little hook down here. Usually you can put a you can hang like a weight on here to give it some stability, but other than that, it looks like a normal tripod. The legs extend out and they just flip the clips back up, and you can make it back small. So for what I paid for it, which will also be on the screen, I really wasn't expecting much, but it will do. I'm not gonna replace my Walmart one yet. I'm not gonna get rid of that one as of yet, because I thought this was gonna be taller than that one. So it's okay. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it. And this is it fully back down, and you can put it back in the take this part off, and then you fold it downwards. Hold on. You're supposed to fold it downwards to close it back up. Let me loose this. All right, there you go. And then you just put it back in the carrying case. No instructions or anything came with it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you need a travel little tripod, Like I said, I recommend the ones from Walmart, but this one was from TikTok, and I'm gonna use it. Let's see how it does. Definitely, like I said, good for the price. And yeah, you know, like when you just see someone TikTok and you're just like, oh yeah, I've been thinking about getting it, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. That was this situation. So yeah, little carrying case, good for travel, folds all the way back up. It's probably no longer than a ruler. So yeah, y'all, so let's go on to the next product here. Y'all, I've been seeing this product all over TikTok. Let me show y'all what it is. It is one of those, they call them neck mounts. You'll see it when I put it on. It's like those neck mounts. Like if you want to do like hands-free content, especially like when I'm doing like grocery shopping, or especially my cook with me's. That's really why I haven't been doing a lot of cook with me's. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the magnetic neck foam mount. It's for hands-free content, basically. And y'all, when I say I've been seeing this all over TikTok shop, I'm like, I need to get this. This is perfect for me when I want to do my cook with me's, or do like anything like hands-free, like shopping or something. So I'm just taking everything out here. So it comes with a guide card. It comes with a user manual. It comes with this great thing. And it comes with this metallic piece. And then it has some extra stuff in here. So I'm not going to set this up to my phone right now because I am recording. But let me just, I guess, open everything. I guess that's the word. I'm probably going to have to read some directions. I'm over here trying to do this without reading anything. And I don't want to break it. But I really don't want to. Oh, okay. All right. I'm assuming this go like this. Okay, no. Maybe I should have read the directions. Okay, so you click that little button and it pops out. So I guess this is the part that go around the neck. I'm gonna get y'all set up on here, okay? Y'all, let me go read the directions and come back, because I really don't know how to use it. Y'all see I just took it out the box. So yeah. Let me go ahead and read the directions and get how to use this thing. Because, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to see y'all in a moment. All right, y'all. So I got everything open here. I'm just going to try to put this together. I just want y'all to see me do this in real time instead of me doing like a little voiceover situation. So I'm just going to take everything out here that it came with. Move that box out the way. It's just everything it came with. And I just want to get it to where it's set up on this thing so I can put you guys on the phone. Put the phone on it. So that's everything there. Let me see. It says lift up buckle. Add to the main transfer line. Okay, this thing. By the way, the products definitely feel heavy. Okay, it's like a little thing there. Okay. The products definitely feel heavy. Doesn't feel cheaply made. So. Oh, wait. Let me. Okay, lift up buckle. And then push down. It's a little complicated. supposed to, I guess, snap in here. Look, once I get this together, I'm gonna definitely leave it just put together, cause yeah, no. Y'all, I thought I was gonna be able to show y'all this on camera, but oh, okay. I think we got it. Now we're supposed to push down on it. I wanted to show y'all me putting this together on camera, but I don't think I'm getting it at all. Yeah. Y'all, let me come back. Let me just come back. Alright, y'all, excuse the angle. I'm trying to show y'all I'm getting this assembled. So, this is the neck part thing that I'm going to put around my neck. And then I'm just going to attach it to the back of my phone case. They give you two of these, like, rings to put on the back of the case. And it says you're supposed to, like, prep with these wipes. I have, like, a ridge case. So, let's see. Let's hope this works. I really don't want to put it on the back of my real phone, because when I just connected the magnet to the back of this like neck part, it was super strong. So I do not really want to put this on the back of my phone. I'm just going to take this time to sanitize my whole case. Since they provided a little wipey wipe. And yeah. Okay, then it says step 2, use the dry wipe. Let's just hope it sticks to a ridge case. I've been seeing people do it with the flat cases, but this is the case I'm currently using, so. Okay, let's make sure that part's really dry. And they do give you a spare one. I think the rest of these little attachments here are like for like if you connect the camera and stuff. So that's what I think these other ones are for. And then it comes with like the little straps for it. But I'm just going to keep all this stuff back in the box, so. Let's go ahead and take the little ring off. Trying to get it centered. Okay. Ooh, it may not work with the ridge case. Oh, it's sticking though. Oh, it's sticking though. I really don't want to put this on my phone. It's not that serious. Okay, it's on there. Let's see how it's looking on my neck. Let me connect it. Let me just take it off. Let me do like this. Okay, let's do it from this way. Okay, so we went ahead and connected it, and then it's supposed to be like this. And here's the phone case. And it's sticking, even on a ridge case. Let me show y'all again. Ooh, oh, baby, this thing then came off. Okay, no. Well, you definitely gonna need a flat case. Okay, y'all, so the magnetic part is very strong. I do recommend using a flat case. I'm probably going to go get me a little cheap flat case from like Five Below or the Dollar Tree. But it definitely stick. Y'all saw how strong it was. It's just not fitting because this is a ridge case. And yeah, you're supposed to be able to record like this or going the other way and it be hands-free. Just pop this open. And then you just put it around your neck. Let me come up so y'all can see me. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this. And then you just snap it. Look, this is my first time unboxing everything, so I'm just also learning how to use it myself. So, you know, you could bring it up you could bring it down to record like what's in front of you, hands free. Let me make it a little bit long. Okay. And then you can adjust this to make it sit up, or you could turn it this way and record, and it won't be in your line of sight. I just wanted to show y'all with something like a case to see how, you know, you could see how it would be to be hands-free. So if I'm doing something like down here, showing y'all this book, y'all will be able to see it the same way I'm seeing it without showing the camera. So that's basically all this is. When I use this, I'm definitely going to use a flat case. But yeah, this was a good price that I saw it for too, and that's what made me buy it. They also give you another magnetic thing too. Put all this stuff in here. Keep it in this box. And I probably won't really be using this unless I do like grocery shopping with me, or like a vlog or something. I want to be hands-free, or cook with me. You guys know I haven't done a cook with me in a while. Cook with me's are definitely coming back. It's just I needed to wait to show this product to do the cook with me. So that was the neck mount and the tripod I got from the TikTok shop. If you want the link, you have to message me personally, because this is not a sponsored video from TikTok or any of its affiliates, so I don't get paid. So, but if TikTok want to start paying me to promote their products, then okay, yeah. But if y'all want the link directly, I can send it to you. But yeah, definitely a cool product though, especially with a lot of people doing content creation and everything. So y'all see me struggling trying to put this thing back on now, or take it off. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's it. Ooh. Y'all, when I'm trying something new, I be really trying to get it. So it cut me off at the end. But yeah, I was just saying, like, definitely get a flat case. Get a case you don't care about. You know, not like your really cute, like, nice cases that you pay nice money for. I would just get like a cheap little case that you use just for like when you're using this product, just so it's not damaging your nicer cases or your phone. I mean, you could put it directly on your phone. I don't want to put this on my phone. I have another mount for my car that has like magnetic pieces to put on the back of my phone, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to tear up my phone or mess it up, the actual body of it. I'm trying to dismantle this. It's like once you get these products secured together, they don't want to come apart. But yeah, y'all, that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all, was these two little TikTok products. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love interacting with y'all in the comments. I love lurking in the comments. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned with me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.